unscrew this. So you've got 2 screws, as you can see here, 1 and 2, and just screw it out and just put it to the side for now. So we will take out 4 screws, 1, 2, and 3 and 4 from here, and then pull it out.
This was the one that was in there.
And that's the one that's faulty.
Yeah.
Squeeze it together, jig it out.
And then this one simply goes back in its place. Before you switch it, before you rig up everything, just make sure that one is like this. You can rig this so that it goes, follow me, all the way outside. Just put it on top of your car, and once it's on top of your car, switch on your ignition, wait for the display in here to go off. It will take about a minute while it's registering and everything, but then you'll see the GPS light should go out. Once that's out, you can put everything back together again. I hope this helps. The instructions that we saw on YouTube, well, there was none, so we just hope that this helps anybody else. Thanks a lot.